back to Empty Pockets Ironworks. I have forgotten how many takes this is. Everything that can go wrong this morning is neighbor's dogs barking, somebody decided to grade the alley, there were sirens a minute ago. It's crazy. So, excuse the dog barking, excuse the sky falling, everything else. I'm going to try to make this short and sweet. Our air compressor died. I ended up having to buy a new one. We are Empty Pockets Ironworks for a reason, so everything has to be strategically planned. Anything that costs me money outside of anything that's planned. So, not sponsored, but I wanted to plug this real quick because I am extremely happy with what we found. And it wasn't initially what we had searched. We went to Lowe's after kind of being disappointed at another retail store and was able to purchase this Cobalt 150 Max PSI Quiet Tech air compressor. And this thing is phenomenal. It's quiet. I can actually talk to people in the shop just like I am right now. The other air compressor, as you know from previous videos, that thing kicked on and everybody ran and hid. It was loud from day one. So having something in the shop that doesn't blow your eardrums out is amazing. Super easy to use, super easy, quick setup. I do have a oil and water separator over here. Yeah, easy adjustment. I love everything about this. Construction wise, right out of the box, it's solid. Super reasonable as far as price point was concerned. It actually saved us money compared to what we was looking for. I'm glad that the other store didn't work out because this is amazing. So, if you're in the market for something that will run a plasma cutter, run some small hand tools, or you just need something for your general or small shop, coming from me, who uses a lot of air in this environment, check out Cobalt. Like I said, not sponsored, but this thing is phenomenal, and I am super happy about it. So, real quickly, what we're going to be doing today is the skull, or a skull, mounted to a board probably. Not going to do the bottom jaw, but we'll do the full skull, or try to. And I've done these in the past. They're always different. As with everything, I hand draw most things. They turn out differently each time I do them. But playing on what's going on in the world right now, I think we're going to do something kind of light and dark. It will have a sunflower coming out of the top of it, which, you know, sunflowers are happy. Sunflowers are bright. Of course, these are steel. I suppose we could paint it. Maybe we will. If you like it and you think maybe, hey, you should do one and try painting it in the future, let me know in the comments and we'll do that. I know with some of the roses, because the women love them, we've been painting those and adding glitter to them during the clear coat process, and they turn out amazing. They're beautiful. And not to toot my own horn, not to try to sell you on anything, but head over to our Facebook page at facebook.com/EP Ironworks and check them out. And thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for following along every week. And let's keep it up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for allowing me to do what I do and invade a little bit of time during your day. I do this because I like to. Monetarily, I'm not getting anything from it other than just the satisfaction of knowing that people are watching these videos and the comments. The comments are amazing. So, thank you guys. Really appreciate it. Let's get started.
Bye.